And you're almost doing this and almost doing that. I said, yeah, I can see it. He's tagging him. He doesn't understand that, honey. You're going to have to explain it to him. He's just going to continue to run.
I feel like I've got a spotlight on some deer in the headlights or something.
I know. And then this lady told me, she goes, he is so polite.
Yes.
I said, I know. Because
I told Abby the story about the grown-ups at the swing, and she just laughed and laughed.
Well, on this one, he wanted to sit down where she was sitting, okay? And so, there he is, he's waiting. And so